Here at Back to Nature Landscaping, we're ready to keep your lawn looking exceptional. Our lawn and landscape maintenance packages include regular mowing and routine turf care applications to ensure a healthy, strong, and vibrant lawn for your home or business. We also provide weeding, mulching, pruning, and seasonal cleanup services to keep your home or business looking great all year round. Our team follows proper horticulture practices and works hard every day to provide quality and careful attention for each and every customer. Every year we book up quickly for all our maintenance services. Sign up today at backtonaturelandscaping.com.